Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel, Make Money Audit and MakeMoneyAudit.com. Today, we're doing another audit on one of my favorite BSers, the Ecom King. Six best Claude AI digital products to sell, 10K a month. Just copy me. Yep. All right. So we'll let him talk a little bit.
$50,000, even $100,000 selling digital products online. In 2026,
There's the whole clue again. More digital products, people.
you no longer have to create the digital products or create advertisements for them, which used to take days and weeks. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be creating 6 different digital products that are all making over $20,000 a month. Now, what I've done is I've created a Miro board that's going to highlight all 6 digital products I'm going to be showing you today, all the thought process that went behind them, and the prompts that I use. So if you guys want to get access to that Miro board that has all of the information that's going to help you and the prompts, we just need to hit 500 likes on this video. So as you can see on my computer screen.
All right, just so you can see that, he's only got 11 likes, so he hasn't got 500. So whatever he promised you, it's not going to happen. So let me open up with the audit, what we got here. So he says he builds 6 AI products, all making over 20,000 a month. Watch very closely. He builds them live, right? That's on camera. You can see it. They haven't sold a thing. That's another thing you got to make sure that you understand. The 20K isn't his money. It's a guess from a spy tool about other people's store. Etsy listings. I think he uses Everbee. And he adds a few together to hit the number. So it's basically a funnel to get you to sign up and use this product. Well, we get that. That's how they make their money. That's how all of them do it. But again, the unrealistic claims that these guys keep producing is what gets you guys to jump in and buy his crap. So let me go off here. So the 20,000 a month is never his. It's not his at all. Never has. Okay. Okay. 6 digital products, all making 20,000 a month. Then he creates them from scratch on screen. Okay. Yeah, that's anybody can do that. That's easy. Every dollar figure is from Everbee estimate and someone else's listing. So you got to understand, wedding printables is a very, very saturated market. Anxiety journals, another saturated. Notion freelance templates. I'm sure it's real estate AI assistant. Really? That one is freaking crazy. Photography course. How's he going to sell something like that? He's not a photographer. So those 5 things that he gives you, maybe 6, I don't know where the other one is yet. Maybe it didn't come up. Come on, guys. It's just another clickbait funnel to sell his crap. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. Let me just see here. That's another thing. He says in here they uses Claude AI, but it's not AI, not Claude at all. It's Abacus AI, which is his program or his affiliate. So there's no Claude in there. He just uses Claude to get you guys to click on his video. So let's see. All right. The $10 a month economics are all lies by omission. He admits the promotion method is Facebook and TikTok. Really? What do you think those things are going to cost you every month just to generate sales? Okay. But he only ever quotes the $10 as the cost. So there's the whole red flag, multiple flags popping up. Okay. So real paid traffic runs hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Yeah, that's what one of these days you guys are going to understand. This is just clickbait to get you to use their stuff. And unfortunately, 613,000 people listen to this guy and are just out of your mind. Are you just not getting it? Are you? If you're one of his people or one of his subscribers, comment in my comments and tell me what you've done that's actually made money. Here's the key: made money in his time frame, not the realistic real time frame. Okay, I bet you there's none. All right. Yeah. So then, yeah, his main method, and like every one of these guys with a selling digital product, is to clone somebody else's competitive stuff. Yeah, and change a little bit. He copies the competitor's image. We're just making them as a reference. Yeah, right. To sell AI printables. He even admits Etsy's margins are too small. You shouldn't be entering a flooded niche and near incidental product. Wow. You shouldn't be copying a saturated market, but you're giving 5 examples right here of very heavy saturated markets. Okay. The video, the makemoneyaudit.com gave this a grade of a D, and I'll bring it up right now. Yeah, the worst of the bunch. One got a C, photographic course, which is very oversold. Yeah, I wouldn't even attempt that. I mean, the wedding printables is like such a saturated market. Unreal. So the only reason why this one didn't get an F again, because it is a viable idea. As long as these guys keep making these videos, I'm going to keep auditing them and telling you guys, you really need to pay attention. Yes, you can do this. Yes, it is something you can create. But unless you find that one niche, and especially in Etsy, good luck, that you can start making money, or, even a Shopify store, you know, you're going to pay, you're going to spend money to get to where you think you want to go. Don't ever assume that just because the Ecom King says it, it's true and you're going to make money. 35 years as a business consultant, business finance, collections, AR, everything I've done in business for 35 years. You know, these guys are just, the claim is not realistic. The time frame is not realistic. The money, potentially, yes, you can make money, but you're going to spend a lot of money up front before you make any money. So, this is another one of these guys that just keeps me going on my channel, keeps helping me promote. Download it, share it, because when you run it, you lose all this. And again, URL and the transcript, and just so you understand who I'm. This is the same guy, so I'm making the same thing, so it's nothing new. Anyways. I hope you guys, if you think I'm wrong on these things, email, comment. Tell me why I'm wrong. Tell me why he's right. Tell me why his method works. I love one of you guys to do it, because realistically, no one of you can in the time frame that he says. It's that simple. All right. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later.